Hello, welcome back, everyone. I am Jaeger. Today, we're going over one photographer with two styles. Or I will be said photographer, and I will show off two styles during the same exact photo shoot. Basically, this entire video is about shooting with intent. No doubt, there's projects, jobs, situations where having a consistent style throughout a photo shoot is not only just desired, it's absolutely necessary to match up shots. But there are those projects where the opposite is true, where you've got some room for some experimentation. So why shoot this way? Well, for one, it keeps things fresh on the shoot. For people who've been shooting a while, keeping things fresh can be a little bit more important in those cases. And number two, it is really fun once you get dialed in what aspects make up a photo that you're going for, a look that you're going for, a mood or vibe that you're going for. Shooting with intent is the way to do this. For example, today we shot some graduation photos. Now for these graduation pictures, we did what is the usual graduation type photo. Sunny, bright, happy, cheery, even glitter blowing photos were thrown in there. Actually, this shot's a composite. This is the original one. I'm gonna do a video later on about composite photography and using blending modes, so hit that subscribe button, make sure you don't miss that. But we also want a little bit of a moodier vibe, and that means black and white photos, muted colors. So we shot on these steps, shooting with the intent to get just those type of photos. Just one or all three of the following makes for some great black and white photos: shadows, shapes, and texture. Just one out of all three. Or if you get all three in a picture, you're good to go. Your black and white photos are just gonna absolutely soar. Don't think that just because we decided, yeah, we needed those bright, cheerful shots, that darker, moodier photos don't have their place as well. That probably is my personal favorite style, and I also follow several fantastic photographers on the gram who totally take the dark, moody style to an entirely different level for you to check out. Now take this bright, sunny photo, which looks great in color, and you can just definitely change it to black and white. There's no rules right here. However, the vibe isn't quite the same. You're not getting the most out of what you really can get out of when you do the shadow, shape, and texture inside of a black and white photo. Shooting with intent means you've got to intend to shoot shots a certain way, and that just means planning, having a mood board handy to get the vibe of what you're going for in a shoot, or just making flat out notes in your notes app of the shots that you intend on getting. It's all a great way to go about shooting with intent. Or you can do what I do, and that is scrap on a QB play call sheet.
Way too cold.
No, seriously, this is what I generally do on photo shoots, not just when I'm shooting with multiple styles, but when I'm shooting photo, video. And to remember all these shots and shot selections, I just fold up a piece of paper and put it right here into my wristband to call my shots. See? Feel free to let me know in the comment section about how you go about shooting with intent on your own photo shoots or video shoots. And a big shout out to Fossil Raster. Hopefully I'm saying your name right. Hope you enjoy that Nikon D80 that I talked about in a previous video, which I will link to somewhere on this screen for all of you to check out. Or this shirt right here, channel themed apparel and photo and video apparel, swing by YeagerShots.com. New styles are on the way. When I'm done shooting cameras, I like shooting things in video games. On random times on Wednesday, head over to twitch.tv/YeagerShots to come hang out with me there.